cooked. Portions. Oh yeah. No. Great. Oh my. Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome to Singleton for the Goodwood Festival of Speed. We're obviously here filming all of the cars leaving. My usual spot has been taken. I might try and sit there later so you can see better up the road. That 812 comp was a surprise. Let's see what other surprises we get. The cash guy sent it. That was a surprise.
And that car behind me can be won by you guys thanks to this video's sponsor, BG Giveaways. The odds are so much in your favour and tickets are only £4.99. Best of luck.
Wow, a Fiesta. Do the noise. He kind of did a noise. We got the new M2 with those exhausts. Newcastle. Oh my God. What the hell? Punched in the lungs. There was a bit of like evidence there. Sorry to lady who lives in the house. And the birds. Yeah, the birds. And this man. Oh no, a Mustang. Oh. The Golf did more. Oh good, another Mustang. The question is, Vader or Mool? Quick! The passenger has a mullet. Resale red Ferrari 488, tan interior 2. We have a red Urus Performante and a BMW M3 trying to get out. Just trying. His pullouts game is weak. Here we go. He's got an Urus Performante in purple and multiple fans, 4 fans in total. Oh, the 964. Wow, a yellow Evo 10. And this time a resale red 430 with tan interior. AMG's got his valves open, ready for noise. We have a satin black Superleggera, or more matte black, Matthew Black on the DBS. He's going for the camouflage look when he parks in the field. It's grassy. Someone on a comedy horn. Oh, it's the Dacia. Fear the deer. The passenger of the Beamer had a moustache. There's a BMW Z8 coming around the corner and a lot of traffic coming the other way. We have the 458 with Novitec pipes. Last year, someone sold a 914 at this very show. He parks it here, and this year he's trying to sell his disco. I think that was the 914 that sold or was for sale because he just pulled in to that house. Random. Beetle. There's an N. Stands for noises. Oh, Revolutions from the Roma in resale red. Next up we have the AMR Vantage from Le Mans. They've road legalised it. Take a look at that. 2018 Le Mans car on the road. Who would have thought they've diesel swapped it too? Looks slightly different to how I remember it. Go on. He went on. Metro's on its way out and a scooter on the rear. Downshift from the M2. Steady on this, sir. Wow, a Fiesta with purple lights going to... Oh my God! She's an idiot. I hope they know her because that was the worst driving ever. Pops and crackles are imminent from the Golf GTI. Here we go, ladies and gents. There they are. He had a walkie-talkie, probably talking to him. Yeah, they were walkie-talking to each other. Go, 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 quick! Don't miss it. 992 Turbo. And a Scope Nabia. SF90 as well. Oh, now that's a bit special. Ferrari 512 BB in resale red, of course. We got the high-vis Aventador SVJ. Another Ferrari, this time 360, resale red with cream interior. 308 with some orange wheels, but in resale red. Polo's gonna go low. Steady on there, brother. Or maybe sister. Or mother. Amira is coming at speed. Fortunately has good braking. Exits at speed. There's a bonnet of a different colour to the grey of the Turbo S and another Urus behind. A bogey green 765 LT. Actually works kind of well. Thumbs up. Yeah, I like that. Take a look at this though, Porsche 911 Dakar. First one I have seen on the road, finished in white with white wheels, bold spec. It's basically like the Huracan Starato, but Porsche's answer to it, even though Porsche were first. There we go, spot of the day so far. Whoa, what have we got here? He's brought along a hydrogen vehicle, a River Simple. That was simply unusual. Run, run. Traction control has been turned off in the M2. Evidently. But look, we've got our wall back. We can sit down and more comfort and see what's happening. Nothing's happening. Oh no, something's happening. 360. Revolution. And how joyous. Focus RS Mark II. No, Rev, don't beep. Wow, it's an off-roader on the road. Diesel Defender 90. Live it. S2000 living life as well, with the roof almost down. But next up we have an S14 in green. That was very un-S14y of him. E92 M3. Here we have a Singer 911 in full carbon fibre. The new electric thing with a name that's really weird. I can't remember. It's the Aura Gwim. It's the Happy Cat or something. It's called the Funky Cat. I'm gonna have to Google that name because it's weird. The Funky Cat. GR Yaris has come all the way from Spain for that send. Got it sideways. The Mini's got an exhaust. Let's listen to it. There it is. Oh, and a 911. It's a dog. The car is actually a dog. He's too old. He is too old. Next around the block, a chrome turquoise Focus. Unfortunately, a VXR8 and an RS6 behind. Oh, look at the plates on the Maloo Ute. It's an SS as well. Da-da. A Toyota Sora, white wheelie in the world. Wafting. But now, another 812 Competizione. Supra. Oh wow, we've got the Gambala Porsche 993 GTR 600s. That's the best car of the day. Wow indeed. But now we've got a camo green 997 with a roof box. It's a GT2 as well. Fair play. This is one of the loudest cars of the day so far. Little Series 1 Lotus Elise. He said something. He loves me? Yes. Thank you. Oh yes, good. You've been gapped. Gapped by a Focus. The 355 is telling us to quieten so we can listen. When suddenly a Mark II MX-5 appears. With an turbo. We got a CLK Black Series next. Evo next. This is the kind of car I've been waiting for. TVR Cerbera. It's more like it. Had blue interior. To mate, there's a road there. No, careful. Be careful. No. Mind the moorhen. Mind the look. There he's waiting. There we go. Good boy. No, don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. You're all right. There we go. Safe and sound. Well done, love. They've realised that yellow's the best colour. They've put it everywhere. Bumble campers. Oh, because it's like a B. R8 GT. SF90 in gold. R3 is about to provide. Oh my god, there's a white chaser! TRD chaser that everyone loves. Not even a rev? What's going on? 911's on a But from another year at the Festival of Speed, that was pretty much that. I'm not going to cry, but it's a shame. It's always a shame. There's a GR Yaris coming, but he's stuck behind a horse box, so it's not going to be that fun despite his number plate. That wasn't fun. So follow me on all my social channels for the updates, highlights and pictures that I take at these events and more. But for now, thanks for watching.